Hello everyone. Today I'll guide you through replacing the battery in your JBL Boombox 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. Let's begin. First, loosen the battery cover screws with a Torx T20 screwdriver. Then remove the old battery and replace it with the Sino CS-JPB520SL replacement battery. This high-performance lithium-ion battery features a modern USB-C charging port for faster and efficient charging, a powerful 5,000 mAh capacity, 108 watt-hours output, and 21.6 volts of energy. It's the perfect replacement battery for JBL Boombox 4, PartyBox 520, and 720 portable Bluetooth speakers, delivering long-lasting performance and uninterrupted music playback. Once the new battery is in place, secure the battery cover with its screws. And that is, you have successfully replaced the battery in your JBL Boombox 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.